Welcome to your shadow, where we delve into the depths of your psyche and confront the truths you'd rather ignore. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's been shrouded in taboo for far too long: sexual abstinence. Brace yourselves, because we're about to strip away the illusions and get real. Step 1. Exposing the illusion. Let's get one thing straight. Sexual abstinence isn't about denying yourself pleasure. It's about reclaiming your power. Every time you indulge in fantasies, you're feeding the illusion. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. So, when you're picturing yourself with some beautiful girl, your brain thinks it's the real deal. Snap out of it. Stop settling for cheap thrills that leave you empty and unsatisfied. Research shows that indulging in pornographic fantasies can lead to decreased satisfaction in real-life relationships. Step 2. Engage in the battle. This is war, my friends. Are you ready to fight for your future, or are you content to be a slave to your desires? When temptation comes knocking, will you cower in fear, or will you stand tall and say, "Not today"? The choice is yours, but make no mistake, the consequences are real. Engaging in this battle builds resilience and self-discipline, crucial traits for success in all aspects of life. Step 3. Strengthen your defenses. You wouldn't go into battle without armor, would you? So why leave yourself vulnerable to temptation? Surround yourself with allies who lift you up, not drag you down. Find hobbies that ignite your passion and purpose. Strengthen your mind, body, and soul until you're impervious to the seductive whispers of instant gratification. Studies have shown that engaging in fulfilling activities like sports or creative pursuits can reduce cravings for sexual gratification. Step 4. Examine the impact of pornography. Imagine yourself when you are alone in your room masturbating, watching porn. You are looking at some other guy fucking beautiful girl with big boobs, big ass, instead of you. Look around you, look in the mirror. Do you think your grandfather would be proud of you? Do you think this is healthy? Now, let's talk about whether this is healthy. Some people might argue that masturbating to porn is normal and even good for you. They might say it relieves us stress, helps explore one's sexuality, or even increases testosterone levels. But let's be real here. Addiction on pornography can actually have negative effects. It can increase feelings of loneliness, and even testosterone decreases. Weak-minded individuals might use these arguments to justify their habits, but the truth is, it can lead to a lack of motivation to pursue real relationships and goals. Ask yourself honestly, is this behavior truly serving your well-being, or is it holding you back from reaching your full potential? Step 5. Cultivate meaningful connections. In a world of fleeting encounters and empty promises, genuine connections are a rare treasure. Don't squander them. Instead of chasing after fantasies, nurture real relationships built on trust, respect, and mutual understanding. Whether it's with friends, family, or potential partners, choose quality over quantity every time. Developing strong connections with others has been linked to improved mental and emotional well-being. Step 6. Harness your power. Congratulations, you've made it to the final step. By practicing sexual abstinence, you've tapped into a wellspring of power within yourself. You've shattered the illusions that once held you captive and emerged stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. So stand tall, my friend. Embrace your shadow and let it guide you towards a future of limitless potential. Remember, true power comes from mastering yourself. You've got this. Thanks for crushing it with your shadow. Your strength is limitless. Smash that like, subscribe for more power-packed content, and get ready to conquer the next challenge. Stay beastly until our next session. Keep lifting, keep growing. Adios.